What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. I am jacked up for this one. Or no, not that kind of jack. That just leads to catastrophic failures. Yeah, I'm pumped up. I'm pumped up like this guy right here. So previously, I did do the test of all tests. That should end all my tests for Raptoreum mining. But now, guess what? We're beginning yet an even bigger test. As we all know, the O11 data pool is no more, which was my go-to pool. It was our nice community pool, and it was the most profitable pool to mine Raptoreum on. Throughout all my tests, it always did come on top, and a lot of you guys really enjoyed using it as well. Now, if you are still mining to the O11 data pool and you haven't checked your rigs for a while and was unaware that the pool shut down, you should probably swap pools ASAP because you haven't been mining anything for the past few days. Now, moving forward, I am looking for the next most profitable Raptoreum mining pool. But not just that, I am testing 6 Raptoreum mining pools at the exact same time. I just started, but we're adding a little more twists into the mix. On top of 6 rigs going on to 6 different mining pools, I also have a rig on MoneroOcean, so we can compare that to Raptoreum, and I have another rig on AVN. So yes, I am looking for the most profitable pool between 6 separate mining pools on Raptoreum, as well as mining MoneroOcean and AVN. So we're doing the what's the most profitable coin to mine on CPUs, as well as what is the best pool to currently use for Raptoreum. So we're gonna go through the specs and everything. Everything is dialed in exactly the same. I went through them all, checked all the settings, make sure everything was legit. That's why I got my monitor over there and another keyboard and whatnot. So that's rig 8. We got rig 1 and 2 is sitting on 2 Raptoreum mining pools. We got rig 4, 5, and 6. Yes, rig 5 right there. He's stoked. These are on Raptoreum mining pools. Rig 3, which is in Windows, that is currently on MoneroOcean. Rig 8 is sitting on AVN, and rig 7 here is sitting on Raptoreum as well. As for system specs, as well as overclock settings, or I guess undervolting underclock settings, all of these rigs are 3900X CPUs. They are all running at 3.6 all-core overclocks at 1 volt. You can get away with 0.95 to 0.97 depending on Silicon Lottery. I just have everything at 1 volt. That way we can, make sure everything is 100% stable. Everything is using a brand new address. So every pool they are mining to is zeroed out. So there's no balance on anything. So it's all starting from scratch. Let's jump into the workstation and I can show you all the pools that I am actually testing here. Here I am at the workstation and looking at mining pool stats. And these are the pools that I am testing. So I'm using Flock Pool, R-Plant, Supernova, Mini Fackle, I butcher that every single time, Raptoreum Emporium, and CoinMiner. So those are the 6 pools I will be testing for Raptoreum, and this is kind of the setup I have going on. So I already have the latency to each pool here set up. I got the power I usually use. I already know Raptoreum power is 85 to 118 watts, depending on the algorithm that it's, that Ghost Rider is switching to at the time. But it usually sits around the 97 watt mark when you're looking at it. AVN power sits around 100 watts most likely most of the time, and my MoneroOcean power, depending on if it hits Haven or something, can be as low as 80 watts and then upwards of 118 watts, again depending on the Ghost Rider algorithm. Now while Nero and MoneroOcean, or not MoneroOcean, Monero itself, that's about 109 watts, so that fits well within the 80 to 118 watts here in terms of MoneroOcean power. But I don't have the Supernova latency yet. I can't SSH into that rig currently. So when I'm done my testing, I'll move it or try a different rig on Supernova and then find out my latency. And if I don't have it done by the time results are released, then I forgot about finding my latency. But overall, here it is. And as for how I'm going to jot down all the information on how much each pool is making, I'm going to have daily earnings per day, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I'm also going to have the total each day. So we're going to have the accumulating data throughout the entire week, every day as their totals grow. And then, like I said, every day I'm going to go through how much each pool did mine on each specific day throughout the whole week. And if we do have to go to 2 weeks, we'll even go to 2 weeks, but we'll see what everything looks like after 1 week. I also want to point out everything is using, for at least Raptoreum, XMRig, as we did do previous tests, XMRig is the better miner, especially for these Ryzen 3900X CPUs over CPUMiner GR. So XMRig is the miner used on everything Raptoreum. I began this test at 10:30 a.m. on February 5th, 2022, which time of you guys watching this video is yesterday if you see it right at release, and it will be done around February 15th for the results at 10:30 a.m. Mountain Time again, 2022. I know a bunch of you guys have been waiting for me to begin this test, and well, here it is. It is finally here. The test has begun. So I want to know what you guys think. What pool is going to win on Raptoreum? And after that, what coin is going to win? What do you think out of the 3 coins is going to end up being the most profitable? So number 1, let me know what Raptoreum pool will be the most profitable in this week. Number 2, let me know which coin will be the most profitable. Are we going to use MoneroOcean? Is Raptoreum going to win? Or is AVN going to win? And number 3, I don't even know what number 3 is. Make something up and comment below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed some, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.